Are you looking for a way to sell your business? Are you looking for a way, easy, fast pace to, create your landing page without buying a domain or without paying for a website? Canva has made it easy for us to do this, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a landing page with Canva. And if this is what you want to see, and if this is what you want to hear, and you want to know it, please do well to stay to the end of the video, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because in this channel is all about tutorial, all about content creation, what you want to use, how you want to start your content creation, what you want to know about content creation, video editing, tutorials, and so forth and so on. Let's dive into the video of the day. So I'm going to go back to Canva homepage from here. What will I do first? This is Canva homepage, where we have a lot of information. Mind you, if you have not watched my video on how to get Canva Pro for free, please do well to go and watch it. And also, if you have not watched my video on how to get Canva Pro link, I've also done a video on that. So now I'm in my homepage, in Canva homepage. If you're a newcomer that's coming to Canva, know that you're supposed to sign in. You're supposed to sign up to Canva before you can get access to the Canva Pro, before you can get access to Canva. So this is create a design. I'm going to click on it, then come here. This is website. Remember, we are creating landing page, so landing page is all about websites. So I'm going to click on this website. So when it's opening, give it time to load. So this is the interface of this website, and we have a lot of template here. As you can see, this is a template. We have a lot of templates, so I'm going to choose the template that I love the most. And what I'm going to be creating is all about sales. It's all about sales and marketing. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. Sales, a landing page that is talking about sales. Okay, I'm going to take this one. I'm going to take that. So when you open it, it has another pages inside, of which it had like more than, this is like 7 pages inside. So they have already created all these for you. The only thing you need is just to change the information to your own and start using them. So if you don't want these ones, like whatever they create here is not what you like, I can as well still go back from here, type on digital marketing, sit here. So this is digital marketing, and they say here is a more good with later design. This is digital marketing, and it talks about sales. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose this one. I think I like this. I'm going to choose this. So it has a lot of pages. If I open this, I can as well click here, add the second page. That is how I will do. Click again, add the third page. That's how I will do until I add all the whole 7 pages. But we're not creating the whole 7 pages. So we are going to start from page 1. So I'm going to delete the other ones. So now this is what I'm going to be working on now. The first thing I'm going to do is say Live and Move. That is the name of the company. So I'm going to type what I want to create is cartoon. So I'm going to bring this one down here, carry this one up. Increase the font from here if you feel that the font is small. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to put this one under. Or I can as well leave it here. Take this one down, because this is looking like the logo. So if I don't like this logo, I can delete it. Then put my own logo. Let me go and look for a logo. Come here. I'll type cartoon logo. Cartoon logo, and then I'll come to design. Come up. Or it's saying cartoon instead of cartoon. Okay. So let me use this one. Kids Club. Then reduce it. I like the color. The color goes together with what I'm doing. That's why I'm taking it. And I'll reduce this more because I want it to be very small. Then I can remove this. Or I can as well leave it here. Bring this one here. Because of this line. I also return my this thing. I also return my this thing here. Then the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm removing this. Okay, I don't want to remove it. Let me just bring it down. Let me bring it down because I might still need it. And also shift it in here. The next thing I'm going to do is to come to app. Come to app. Then type YouTube. Remember, we are creating a landing page and this is YouTube. Then in this YouTube now, I'm going to go to my page to bring my video that I want to use for the advert. So I will type my page, my channel name, enter it. It has come out with a lot of my videos that I've already made for long. All my videos that I've made, they are all here. So I'm going to be using this. Click on it. Okay. Then I will remove it. And put it here. I can remove this, but I think I don't need it. Then still arrange your design. Make this one smaller again. So after I finish, I'm going to delete this because I think it's not necessary. I don't need it. Yeah. I don't need that. I don't need it. So I think I should make this one uppercase. 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 The next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to put up a text that says, this is where I'm going to put in my information. So I will say, click to watch. No, I will say watch now. Watch now. Then, I right click on this, I'll go to link. Then go back to my YouTube page. Go back to my YouTube channel. Come here. Come to video. What I want to do is to copy the link of that video I put up here. So I will come here, go to share, come to this place and copy the link of the video. Then come back and paste it here. Then say done. So after I might have finished creating my page, my landing page, this is preview. I click on preview to see what I did. As you can see, this is how it looks like. If I click here now, it's going to open. You see?
Download the
As I click on that link, it takes me to. As I click on this watch now, it takes me to my YouTube. It took me to my YouTube page immediately. So this is the desktop view of this. And I'm going to check on the mobile view. This is the mobile view. Oh, it's so beautiful. And this is the mobile. This is the mobile view of the video. If I also click on it, it's going to take me to my YouTube channel. As I click it, it also took me to my YouTube channel. So if I want to publish it, I can click on this place and say publish. Click on publish website. Then they say resize on mobile. Yes, as it is here, it can be viewed on mobile and also viewed on desktop. That is it here. Then come down here. Okay, see the mobile. You see the desktop of it. Then you see the mobile of it. But I don't want to publish a website. I don't want to publish it. I want to publish it now. I will click on publish and it's going to send. Let me publish. Then what they are telling me is you missed this one. So I should put my website URL here, which is this my Canva, which is my Canva URL. If I paste it here, so I don't want to publish it. That's why I don't want to send the video. So if I want to share it or save it in my gallery, I can as well come here, come down to this place, click on download, then and share, download the video in my and download the video on my on my on my on my laptop or in my device. If you get value in this video, please don't forget to like this video, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.